This video tutorial will guide you through the installation of the Valhalla Scale Desktop App. You may have received an email from us with a link to our website, or you can simply go to bodycomscale.com/app. Within our web page, you will find the download Valhalla installer.zip. Simply click, and that will start the process of downloading the folder to your computer. Once the download is complete, simply click on the folder and you will see the Valhalla installer. This is an executable that will install the application on your computer. Simply double click. Depending on your computer settings, your security settings, you may have this window appear. Simply click on more info and then click on run anyway. The installer will open. Once the installation is complete, simply press the enter button on your keyboard. And if you go to your desktop, you will find a new icon, Valhalla Scale Desktop App. This is the icon that you will use to open the application. And this concludes the installation guide.